GHBM-15T high-end intelligent CNC controller. 15-inch colorful LCD touch screen. Users can click the screen while wearing gloves. Easy to operate. System functions are friendly and easy to use. High-performance quad-core processor. Lightning-fast touchscreen responsiveness. During a power outage, data is automatically saved. Various extended functions. Support oil-electric hybrid bending machine. Support full electric bending machine. Support automatic bending with manipulator. Duplex automatic production line. Up to 7 axes can be controlled. 2D graphic programming function. Data product programming. Special programming for machine debugging.